the CORSAIR iCUE H170i Elite Capellix XT. This is a premium 420mm I/O, and it's aimed squarely at enthusiasts, content creators, and overclockers who demand top-tier cooling and love their RGB. Sure, the first thing you notice is that massive 420mm aluminum radiator. That size gives you a huge surface area for heat dissipation. It's paired with 3 CORSAIR AF140 RGB Elite PWM fans, which feature CORSAIR's air guide technology for focused airflow. These fans can spin up to 1700 RPM, and they're designed to move a lot of air with low turbulence, even at high speeds. What's really cool is the 0 RPM mode for low loads, keeping things super quiet. Even when running, the noise level can be as low as 35.8 decibels. The pump head itself has a copper cold plate and is decked out with those vibrant Capellix RGB LEDs. Speaking of RGB, this cooler is a stunner. The pump has 33 ultra-bright Capellix LEDs, and each of the 3 fans has 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs. Besides, it comes with an iCUE Commander core controller, which can manage up to 6 devices. And of course, it fully integrates with CORSAIR's iCUE software. This means you get detailed control over fan curves, temperature monitoring, and all those advanced RGB effects. Of course, it also supports Intel sockets like LGA 1700 and AMD's AM5 and AM4. So it's ready to handle the heat from modern high-end CPUs like the Intel Core i9-14900K or Ryzen 9 7950X. In the box, you get everything you need, including pre-applied thermal paste. But remember, a 420mm radiator needs a full tower or a very roomy mid-tower case. Users always speak highly of its impressive cooling capabilities, with many reporting peak gaming temps in the 35 to 45 degrees Celsius range, even on demanding CPUs. So if you're a performance builder, an RGB fanatic, or already in the CORSAIR ecosystem, this H170i Elite Capellix XT is a very compelling option.